just wanted to show you. This is a standard mattress that comes with camper. I think it's like 4 inches thick. Not the most comfortable mattresses in the world. And see, we just bought this camper new last summer. At some point down the road, we might get us a new mattress, but we've spent some money on some other things like upgrading solar and different things like that. So for now, we have just done some modifications to make this mattress a little more comfortable. And one of the modifications, we bought this foam pad. And I just bought this off of Amazon. This is just a, I don't know, I think it's a 2-inch foam pad. I'll let you know, and maybe even leave a link for what we bought. I just trimmed it down for our mattress. This is a queen short. And so we add that to the top. That adds a little bit of comfort. And then just for a little added comfort, we also purchased a quilted mattress protector, which is what I'm putting on now. And that gives, it's a little bit padded, so it adds a little extra padding by another inch or so. Those two things combined has really improved the quality of sleep that we can get in this camper without going through the expense right now of getting an additional mattress that's more comfortable for now. So this is the solution we found. It was relatively inexpensive. I can get you the prices of each of these things. This is, I ordered both of these off of Amazon. Looks like this topper is a Bedsure brand. I don't know what brand the actual foam is, but I'll link it in the description. Both of these together, I think were, under $100, but again, I'll check the prices and let you know exactly what we paid for this modification. But it does greatly improve our quality of sleep. It's very comfortable. I don't feel like, sometimes I have hip pain, and so I'm a side sleeper, and if a mattress is very hard or very thin, I can feel what's underneath me, and it just makes my hip pain worse. And I have not noticed that with this. Literally one of the worst things about camping is making the bed. Unless you pull the mattress completely off the platform is just quite the chore. And we just use regular sheets and blankets. We don't buy special RV sheets and blankets. Okay, so I took a look at my Amazon history just to see how much I paid for the modifications we did for the mattress. And the mattress topper was a queen 2-inch gel memory foam bed topper, and that cost $37.96 when I purchased it last year. And then the Bedsure Short Queen mattress pad that we put on top of the memory foam was $24.68. For under $60, or right at $60 is what it cost for that modification. And like I said, it works out well for what we need. And we only mostly weekend camp. So again, it works for what we're doing currently. And at some point down the road, we may look into getting a mattress that is more comfortable, but this is working for now.